If you're looking for a great place to get laser hair removal in the Northern Virginia area, then Delight Medical and Aesthetics is the place for you. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Dega Fangad. I'm a cosmetic physician here in the Northern Virginia area, and I'm the owner of Delight Medical and Aesthetics. Laser hair removal is a safe and effective way to remove unwanted hair. It is the best solution for people who want to get rid of body or facial hair and don't want to deal with the hassle of shaving every day. Our technology uses light energy to target and destroy your hair follicles so they no longer grow new hairs. This is especially great for people who deal with ingrown hairs, PCOS, or hidradenitis suppurativa. This treatment is fast, safe, and comfortable, and we're able to treat all skin tones. Visit Delight Medical and Aesthetics at 6744 Old McLean Village Drive, Suite 2, McLean, Virginia, and our phone number is 571-378-1563. Book a free consultation today.